Hello sweets, so today we're going to do a coffee table hack. That's the coffee table. It's from 99-cent store, and yes, that's how it looks. Lovely, isn't it? So what price was it? I got it for, hope you can see, I'm trying to turn it around so you can see better. Yep, I got it for $9.99. And it's a still, but I'll not turn it just to a coffee table. I'll turn it to something else. Keep watching. So I initially wanted to use this IKEA lac table. I was unscrewing it because I wanted to cut, well, I didn't know what screws there. I wanted to cut off that side and use it with the coffee table to extend it to become a table, living table, or whatever you want it to be. So just opening it up to see the size of the legs, which I'll use to attach to the IKEA lac. And just showing you how it looks. This is the size of the coffee table. What I was impressed was that it's quite solid. I don't know what material it is. I'm not sure if it's wood or cork, but it was really firm. And the two of them, but I'll only be using one for this project. That's how it looks. And just checking the legs, but I was disappointed when I saw the legs. I'll admit. I'll just let you hear my reaction. Yes, it's plastic. So that was disappointing. Anyway, let's get on with the project. So I decided I was going to spray it gold, and this is the gold spray. Shake it well, obviously. And I was wearing gloves. I didn't want any paint in my hand. And you spray in motion so it can be uniform. So I decided to spray the legs. Remember to spray the well-ventilated area, so I'm spraying it outside. And not to bore you, I just show you how the four legs I finally sprayed came out. So just setting them out to dry. This is the first one. 1, 2. Yes, I'm like a count in Sesame Street. 3 and fourth one. So those are the four legs drying, and now, since I was disappointed with the legs and I saw it wouldn't work with the IKEA lac table, I decided to get another one, and this one was $7.99. It's 2-pack side table. So I just went out and got it the same day as soon as I was done spraying. But the other one, I got it a week before I started this project, so I was hoping I could find, and I was lucky to find this one. Instead of getting the one for $9.99, I decided to just bet on this $7.99 and hoped the legs are going to fit into each other. So yes, I was just curious about the legs because that's the main thing I wanted, the reason why I got this one. So just taking out one to see if it goes together with the one I spray painted, which by the way was already dry. Yeah, this one too wasn't disappointing. The wood is really firm and nice. That's the good part of this set, or this table or furniture things the 99 cents is carrying at the moment. And yeah, just comparing, and luckily enough I think it'll work, so I was excited. Showing you the sizes, and the sizes look identical. So let's get on with it. It's a very easy project, and what you basically have to do is screw the other leg into the other one, and yeah, no tools required for assembly. So it's easy as what, ABC. Why I liked it, as soon as I saw it, it makes you think of something you might see in IKEA, obviously minus the plastic legs, but you can't really tell the legs are plastic unless you touch them. So just trying to envision how this would go. Initially I thought that what would I call it, the screw end was going to go into the table, and I thought I was going to use the other screw end of the other side to insert into that one. And I was trying to figure out where the other piece is to hold it to the wooden part. So as you see, they come in twos, so it's not missing. You just unscrew that. Yeah, trying to figure it out. Actually, the screwed part of the gold one goes into the other one, and the part which is not the screw part goes to the wooden cock. I don't know which material it is. No, actually it's the other way around. yes, the other way around. So the gold part, which is not the screw, so the white part, the screw of the white part, I insert into the gold part, and then the end, which is not the screw, goes into the table. And you use the other end, which is like a stopper, to screw the wooden table to hold it all together. Yes, that end, which is like a stopper. And this too, so the white part goes to the bottom. So I attach it to the gold screw, because I was wondering how is this going to stand. So that's how it stands. This is the bottom part. So the legs. As I said, the stopper part goes there to hold it all together. So you just screw it, and that's it. Really easy project. So you have to do the same for all four sides if you want the table to stand. And make sure it's well fastened. So let me do a magic trick, and there, inserted. Voila. Third one, and ta-da! That's how it looks. Initially I thought I was going to spray paint the bottom, but I ended up really liking the white and gold and white. So it gives it a high-end look. What a bit of spray paint can do, the magic of spray paint. So this is the finished product. Just giving you a close-up look, and that's how it looks. It looks really high-end in my opinion, you can't even guess. So the only thing you can see is that it's a bit not too sturdy, but it's fairly big. You can do homework on it, you can put your laptop, you can use a book, you can use a table. So it's not too small, that's a reasonable size. And since it's not too sturdy, I'll suggest using an L bracket. I think that's what it's called. I got that from the 99-cent store a while back, so I'll use it to fasten it to the wall. I first tried to use a normal screwdriver, but it was really solid, so I left that. And this I had a while back. I got this from Fallas. I also have one for my bar cart. It's an organizer. It gives you more levels for shelves. So if you don't have drawers, what better way to use this as shelves or drawers? And the other table, which I wasn't going to use, the side table, I can use it as the bottom part of that. So that's how it looks. As you see, it's not sturdy, so I had to use the L bracket to fasten it. But since I didn't have an electric screwdriver, I got my neighbor the next day to help me. Luckily my neighbor had a screwdriver, an electric one, and so it worked really well. That's how it is, all fastened. Now it's sturdy. And my nephew can use this as a study table because he outgrew the other one he had. Oh yes, it was a lack if he hadn't figured it out. Maybe I'll put a video up of how his study area used to look prior to this. So there, see, very sturdy now. So I'm just thinking that maybe those shelves won't work there, but luckily this chair can go down, so that helps. It gives enough leg room. And yeah, just taking out the papers, you don't want that. And that's the price in case you didn't see it in the pictures below. $3.99. Different sizes, but they were both the same price, $3.99 each. He can put his books in that, so it's like a drawer. So that's just another idea in case you don't want to use it like a table in your foyer. You can use it as a study table. Yep, and it still gives enough leg room. So, yep, I'm happy with that. So just trying to decide what direction I wanted them. But yeah, I decided to put them together side by side. And that's how it looks. So just putting back his stuff. And that's a study table. I had a haul for the cactus picture. I'll put it. So that's his desk, and that's in the holder I inserted his Dave & Buster big pencil. There he has his crayons and colors and calculator. And that's how it looks. So let me just leave you with pictures of the project, the different ways you can have this table. I hope you enjoy, and if you loved it, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. Love you, sweets.
Guaranteed I can blow your mind. And tonight I'm alive in a